Here's a quick tutorial on changing the hood struts on my Nissan Titan. The struts were getting to the point where they wouldn't hold the hood up very well. Fortunately, replacing the struts is fairly cheap and is very easy to do. The tools you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver and a block of wood or something that will hold up the hood while you're working on it. Here are the replacement struts. I ordered these on Amazon and I'll include a link in the description below. These are for several year models of Titan, Armada, and Pathfinder. We'll get started by pulling the hood release, raising the hood, and securing it in the up position. Here I'm using a clamp spreader that I bought from Harbor Freight. To remove the old strut, use a flathead screwdriver to back off the retaining clip and then twist off the strut. To reinstall, simply push the strut into place on the stud on each end. Repeat the exact same procedure on the other side and you're good to go. Now it's time to remove your temporary hood support and test the operation of the new hood struts. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would, please hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to support the channel. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.